Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Jake from today's iPhone.com, and today we're taking a look at the Seidio Convert case for the new iPhone or iPhone 5. Now, this is a really protective case. I think would be something along the lines of an OtterBox. So let's take it out and take a look. So just get rid of the box. You can see that it comes with a holster, but we'll take a look at that a little bit later. First, we're going to look at the case itself. Now, right off the bat, you'll notice that it comes with a screen protector, which is very nice. We'll put that away. Now, as you can see, it's made of both flexible silicone and hard plastic. In a lot of ways, it seems like the Seidio Active on steroids. This is basically just a more protective version of this case. So let's take a look. Now, you have to unclip this plastic part from the outside in order to get it on the phone. And it's a little bit difficult, just because there are so many little hooks. But there we go. So put that there for a second. Now this case is different because it's actually a three-piece case. You have this inner shell, which is kind of like a sliding case, like that. Now this is lined with felt on the inside, so that's really nice. It's going to protect your phone. And then you have this middle piece, which is like a silicone insert, and it absorbs some of the shock. And you can also see it's got this little camera holder that flips up and down. We'll take a look at that in a sec. And then we've got this outside piece, which sort of holds everything together. And I'll slide this one in, and it goes in really easily. And you know, if you want to buy this case, I mean, you basically get two cases in one, because you could use this first inside piece as a case all on its own. It's kind of, how do you, there we go. So actually that looks pretty cool, just like this. Kind of like an in-case slider kind of case. You can see it's got the cutouts for the lock button and all of the ports and stuff, so I actually like this quite a bit. But let's continue assembling the case. So now we throw this middle piece on, and this just goes over this first inside case. So it's worth noting that this silicone piece will not fit your iPhone unless you have this inside slider case. Then finally you clip on this outer piece. So this is the case on the phone. It is pretty thick, as you can tell. I mean, it's three different pieces of material that you're layering one on top of the other, so it's going to add a considerable amount of bulk to the phone, and it does. It definitely feels pretty hefty, like an OtterBox case. That being said, it's very, very well protected. This case, plus the screen protector they give you, I feel like it's pretty indestructible at this point. You can see on the back here we've got this little camera door. This is a nice feature in theory, but I feel like if you're trying to get pictures on the go, it would be kind of difficult. So you slide it down and you pop it right into that hole right there. And it should stay. Well, in theory, I guess it would stay if I could do it. There we go. So then you just snap a pic like that, and then when you're done, you close it back up again. And then on the bottom, you have little doors for the lightning port and the headphone jack. And on the side, you have a cutout for the mute switch, and then you have the volume buttons that are in the silicone, and you have the lock button. All is very easily pressable because you're only pressing them through this silicone part. As far as usage goes, other than the bulk that it adds, there's not much to complain about. It doesn't stick in your pocket when you try to slide it in and out. All the buttons are easily accessible. The screen is totally in view, so there's not a problem there. The only issue that I can really see coming about is this camera thing is kind of annoying sometimes, and just the fact that all of the sleek thinness and sexiness of the iPhone 5 is kind of lost when you put a case like this on it. Now I have the version with the holster right here. So just like with the active case, you put the corners in the bottom, and then you use this clip to clip the phone in, screen facing in. Now this holster is lined with felt, so it's not going to scratch your screen. twist right here. And so all in all, when the iPhone 5 is in the holster in this case, you know, you're good. You're not going to have any issues with scratches or falls or anything like that. That being said, I've always felt that with cases like this, you're losing something of the iPhone when you put it on. So it's really basically how paranoid you are and how willing you are to give up the design that the Apple team worked so hard to create to ensure that your investment is soundly protected. Now, the inside case is actually a case in and of itself. It's the Seidio Surface, and if you're interested in that case, it comes in a ton of different colors. Gray, white, green, red, black, purple, blue, and pink. It ranges from $29.95 to $49.95 depending on what add-ons and holsters and accessories you get for it. Now, if you want the whole Convert protective case, which gives you the light surface case and the inside for, you know, everyday usage, and then this rugged outside plastic and silicone skin for, you know, I guess if you're hiking or something, that will run you anywhere from just the 3 cases and the screen protector comes in a pack, the Convert Combo, for $49.95. The Convert Value Pack, which also comes with a holster for just this inside case right here, the Surface, will run you $69.95. And if you already have the inside Surface case, you can just get the outside stuff to convert it into the Convert case, and that is going to run you $29.95. The Converse case comes in black and gray, and this is cool, like I said, because you get the protection, but you also get the thin Surface case just for everyday stuff. So this is the Seidio Convert case for the iPhone 5. If you have any questions or comments, definitely let me know in the comment section down below or on Twitter at @TIP_Jake. As always, the links to everything relevant is in the description down below, so definitely check that out. Once again, this is the Seidio Convert for the iPhone 5. I'm Jake, and I'll see you later.